Every cup of Starbucks coffee begins here, at sunrise.
Only the finest cherries are chosen by skilled hands.
Each harvest is a careful balance of quality and precision.
From tree to collection, the journey begins.
Thousands of cherries gather in a single harvest moment. Freshness is captured in every second after picking. Sorting begins immediately to preserve quality. Only perfection moves forward. Prepared for transport, the beans move closer to processing. Handled with care, every crate carries potential. The harvest prepares for its next journey. Machines assist where human strength reaches its limit. Precision handling protects the harvest. Every load brings the farm closer to the factory. A final check ensures nothing is left to chance. The journey continues beyond the fields. From nature to industry, the transformation begins. What starts as a cherry will soon become the world's most beloved coffee. The harvested Starbucks coffee beans begin their journey to processing. Every mile carries the freshness forward. Handled carefully, the beans stay protected in transit. From farms to highways, the path becomes faster. Logistics connect the harvest to industry. Every shipment is monitored for safety and quality.
Cleared to continue, the journey resumes.
The world of processing comes into view.
Where raw harvest meets precision engineering. The gateway to transformation opens. Inside, the real process begins. A synchronized system keeps everything moving. Precision positioning ensures smooth unloading. The journey pauses as the next phase begins.
Teams prepare to handle the incoming harvest.
Beyond these doors lies controlled processing.
Mechanical precision takes over from manual labor.
The Starbucks coffee beans are ready for processing.
This is where raw Starbucks coffee beans enter industrial transformation.
Every entry is controlled for precision and traceability.
The beans move deeper into the processing ecosystem.
Automated systems link every stage of production.
Skilled teams prepare for the processing shift.
Inside, precision engineering takes control. The raw harvest now enters automated processing. The transformation begins with movement and flow. Only pure beans continue forward. Technology ensures uniform quality from the start. Each bean is analyzed in motion. Only the best beans advance forward. Consistency defines industrial precision. The heart of flavor development awaits.
Heat transforms raw potential into aroma.
Inside the drum, transformation begins. Heat awakens the true character of coffee, and from heat to stability, the next phase begins.
Cooling locks in flavor and aroma.
Every stage shapes the final taste.
Now the beans prepare for their final form.
The final transformation begins here. Precision packaging ensures global consistency. From farm to factory, the journey is nearly complete.
Before perfection, every bean must be purified.
Unwanted particles are removed with precision airflow.
Nature and engineering work together in separation.
Only flawless beans continue the journey.
Quality control begins with instant separation. Consistency defines every step forward. Even texture is refined for final quality.
Safety ensures purity at every level.
Final cleaning prepares beans for refinement. Purity is now fully established. Every bean is measured with precision. Only premium selection advances. Excellence is separated from the ordinary. Color defines the visual standard of quality. Precision leaves nothing to chance. Now unified, the beans are ready for transformation.
Controlled flow ensures perfect consistency.
Preparation for flavor transformation begins.
Human expertise validates machine precision. Only approved beans move into transformation.
Now begins the true transformation of Starbucks coffee beans.
Heat and motion unlock the aroma within. Each second reshapes flavor and depth. First crack signals true coffee awakening. Aroma rises as flavor develops. Precision heat defines perfect roasting.
Every batch is monitored in real time.
Movement ensures balanced transformation.
Balanced heat creates consistent flavor.
Flavor complexity begins to emerge. Deep roast defines bold character.
We did it! Perfect roast achieved with precision timing.
Heat gives way to cooling transition.
Freshly roasted beans meet controlled cooling. Cooling locks in the perfect roast profile.
Human expertise confirms machine perfection.
Resting ensures flavor stability. Consistency defines global quality. Now the beans are ready for final refinement. From raw harvest to perfected roast, transformation is complete. Now begins the transformation from whole bean to usable form.
Precision grinding defines consistency in every cup.
Every particle is carefully standardized. Technology ensures perfect uniformity. Refined grounds move into blending precision. Blending creates signature consistency.
Every blend meets strict global standards.
Balance defines the final taste profile. Aroma is preserved for perfection. Preparation for long-lasting freshness begins.
Freshness is locked at the molecular level.
Human expertise validates machine precision. Safety and purity remain uncompromised. Traceability ensures global accountability.
The signature blend is finalized.
Final transformation prepares for global distribution. Precision engineering prepares every pack. From raw bean to perfected coffee form, transformation is complete. The factory is now fully guided by intelligent automation systems.
Every bean is tracked from origin to output.
Robots ensure flawless precision at every step. An interconnected system keeps production seamless. Technology guarantees consistent perfection. Artificial intelligence eliminates human error. Machines operate in perfect coordination.
Finished products enter intelligent storage systems.
Every unit is digitally accounted for.
Automation retrieves products on demand. All systems converge into one unified flow.
Algorithms optimize every production decision.
The system continuously improves itself. Downtime is eliminated through prediction.
Every pack passes final robotic verification.
The environment adapts to production needs.
One intelligence controls thousands of processes.
Automation achieves perfect industrial harmony.
Final systems prepare products for global standards. The system reaches full operational excellence.
This is the future of coffee production.
Now begins the final refinement phase. Now the product enters its final refinement stage. Every seal is tested with absolute precision. Freshness is locked through pressure precision. Every gram must meet global standards.
Identity and traceability are permanently marked.
Precision alignment prepares global shipment.
Even invisible particles are eliminated.
Brand perfection is verified digitally.
Completed products await final distribution. The final journey to the world begins. Products are organized for global transport. Protection ensures safe global delivery.
Every shipment is digitally validated.
Human oversight confirms machine precision. The product is certified for worldwide distribution.
All paths converge into global delivery. Final inspection ensures absolute perfection.
The factory prepares to hand over to logistics.
From production to global storage systems. Precision and perfection define the final stage.
Every batch must pass scientific validation before release.
Science defines the purity of every bean.
Aroma is measured with precision instruments.
Consistency ensures the signature Starbucks taste. Moisture balance protects freshness and flavor.
Human experience validates scientific results.
Cupping reveals the true character of coffee.
Every detail is measured without compromise.
Even the smallest flaw is documented.
The moisture levels are optimal and the aroma profile matches the standard.
Agreed. We can proceed with approval.
Only consensus allows global release.
Certification confirms perfection. Quality data connects the entire world.
Approval opens the path to distribution.
Safety is verified one last time. The product is now globally certified.
The world is now ready to receive it. Scientific validation is complete. From lab to logistics, the journey continues.
Every checkpoint confirms perfection. And this is how modern factories ensure every Starbucks coffee reaches the world in perfect form. The final stage begins as global-ready packaging is completed. Every pack carries a unified global identity. Protection ensures safe arrival across the world.
Every shipment is verified one final time.
Finished products await global distribution. Precision logistics prepare worldwide delivery.
From factory to highways, distribution begins.
One system connects every corner of the world.
Global shipping begins at the ports.
speed meets precision in air freight logistics. From global hubs, products reach local markets.
Final mile delivery brings coffee closer to consumers.
From factory to shelf, the journey is complete.
Now, it becomes part of daily life.
One product, one global standard.
The process ends, but the system continues. From bean to global cup, every detail defines perfection.
This is modern coffee production at its highest precision.
Every cup begins with this journey.
And this is how modern factories produce Starbucks coffee from start to finish.